Hi everyone, Matthew Keever here at Hannover Messe 2026, showing off one of our deviceWISE AI sorting demos, how we're bringing the physical world into the world of AI. As I place it over here, I'm pulling in measurement data, camera data, robotics and control data to put it all into one single operation where you can sort and pick however the robot sees it. And if it can't grab it, we use the backup hydraulic systems. All failover, all safety, run with deviceWISE. If I come over here, I can go ahead and have it grab any cubes or all cubes off this. So if I put just a couple of random cubes in place, swap them out, give enough room for the robot, and say, go ahead and pick all this. We're using camera systems to automatically get the information of the location of all the systems using our visual inspection platform, translating those data points into coordinates that we can use inside the Isaac sim to control the robot using agentic AI. So all these movements are controlled on the fly. But further than that, we can use more systems like Cosmos Reasoning 2 to not only control the robot, but help manage it itself. So if I come over here and try to run it, and I'm going to stop the robot, normally this would be a huge problem. You have a broken robot, you have to go read the manual, you have to go be an expert of recalibration and adjusting. But with deviceWISE, we can go ahead and do that directly within the software. We recognize and pull the information off using our native driver to the universal robot, but it can be for any robot. We have a software neutral layer that allows you to swap hardware out at any time. We can see the reasoning codes, we can see the history of when it happened and what occurred. I can have the AI analyze the fault. In this case, it's going to bring up a recovery plan for us. Now, the recovery plan could be that I need to move something out of the way, reposition it, or in this case, we're using a security camera to recognize that we're in this positioning. There's no software on the camera, it's all deviceWISE analyzing. And when they say the room is clear and everything's set, it gives me a clear instructions of how to reset and bring it back to life. Now, in this case, all I have to do is make sure I'm clear and safe in the zone, and I can allow deviceWISE to go ahead, clear the faults from the robot, recalibrate it on the fly, and move it to the home position. And that's the power of deviceWISE being a neutral software layer with all the different pieces that we bring into the physical world. Thank you.